Salut tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez très bien. I want to welcome you to this class today. This is a master French class. Here we will talk about French language from basic level to advanced level. So no matter your level, you are free to be on this channel to learn a lot of things that can help you to pass your exams, maybe like TCF exam or any one of them, just mention it. So now today I want to tell you about this vocabulary. This is level A1, but it doesn't matter your level because it's vocabulary. You can learn new words here. When you are asked to describe something, talk about something, please, if you don't have vocabulary about that particular thing you are asked to talk about, you have it in your mind to say, but you don't know how to say it out. That's one of the issue many students are facing. Yes, they will be willing to say something. I can say this, but what is the vocabulary where you can use to explain it? You don't have it because you don't know vocabulary about that particular aspect or about that particular issue you are asked to talk about. So that is why in this video I want to teach you about la maison or l'appartement. As you can see it on the screen here, you have la maison and l'appartement. So what are the things you need to learn this vocabulary? You need to learn firstly the pronunciation, and the second one is the meaning. You understand? So as I'm reading it, you too can be saying it after me. You can play the video back to learn it so that you master the pronunciation very, very well. Because as an English person, when you're speaking French, you must feel that you are speaking French, not English French, but pure French language. You have la maison, which is l'appartement. Now, les pièces, that is rooms. Nous avons la maison, l'appartement. Some students will say le appartement. No, this is liaison. You join them together. La as l'appartement, le salon, la cuisine, la salle de bain, la chambre, le couloir, le balcon, le jardin, les toilettes. Les toilettes. I already tell students that before you get to B2 or before you start preparing yourself for this self exam, you need to know at least 1,000 words. 1,000 words in French. You understand? So try to know vocabulary. Very, very important. I'm going to move on. Don't forget to be taking the meaning here. Now, nous sommes sur les meubles. That's the furniture. So we have le lit, la table, la chaise, le canapé. You can see this E is sounding A because of the accent on it. You understand? But this one is silent. So why this one is sounding? I think I have a video on the channel. Excusez-moi. I have a video on my channel that talk about this accent. There are a lot of accents you can see in French. So you just need to check that video and watch those videos and know much about it. And then I also talk about nasal, where you learn some combination of words that can help you to pronounce French things very well. Very, very important. Just check that video on the channel and you watch it and understand what is there. Let's move on. Nous avons la télévision. You can see you have ion here. La télévision. Nous avons l'armoire. You see, wow. So those are the things I'm talking about that you can see in that video. You see, sound like this. How can you call this when they are together? Okay, nous avons le bureau. See another one here. EAU is giving us sound O. So check that video so that you can learn this. Now, le bureau, la lampe, le frigo, la cuisinière. Ok, les objets, that's objects. Nous avons la fenêtre, la porte, le tapis, le miroir, les rideaux, l'ordinateur. This sound also is very difficult for English people to pronounce. This is l'ordinateur. Is that clear? So this is the adjective utile, the useful adjective. Now, nous avons petit, nous avons grand, nous avons moderne, nous avons simple, nous avons confortable, nous avons joli. Now, you can see that there's E here in the front of some. That means this adjective will have E at the end when it's in feminine form. But when it's in masculine, it will be petit. Feminine form, it will be what? Petite. Grand, grand in feminine form. Modern is both masculine and feminine. Simple is both masculine and feminine. Confortable, both masculine and feminine. Jolie, both. This is not both, but this is masculine. When it says jolie, is a feminine. You know, this one, the pronunciation is the same, but the spelling is different when it comes to the gender. You understand? Alright, there's something also I want to tell students is that please make sure you use the word or the new words you are learning. If you don't use them, you forget them. So, for example, like this one that you learned today, just come down and make some sentences with them. For example, now, let me go with which one? Okay, let's use la chambre. La chambre, yeah. Let's use sentences with la chambre. You can say la chambre. La chambre est petite. You see. So saying la chambre est petite, that's very correct sentence because we have la chambre here. La chambre is feminine, so petite must take it. La chambre est petite. You understand? So when you take la chambre here, what is la chambre? La chambre is a bedroom. So what I'm going to say here is the bedroom is what? Is small. Small. That's the meaning. The bedroom is small. So that is it. Please learn all those things, put them into practice. At least make 10 sentences with one. Like this, la chambre now. I can make 10 sentences with it. And petite also try to make 10 sentences with it. And every day use them in sentences so that you won't forget it easily. Very, very important. Alright, another thing is that I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of things that we are going to be teaching on this channel about French language. And then you can join our community where we talk about French. You can ask me direct questions, but even if you put it in the comment section here, I will still answer you. But I think if you're in the community, it will be very easy for you to have a direct contact with me to ask a lot of things you can ask.